hit live and start the Discord event.
Let everyone know. It's time.
It's time.
It's
It is time.
time.
Oh, I forgot the event pings roll. There we go.
Oh,
All right. Okay, here we go.
let's go.
It's time. Okay. uh, Welcome everybody to MonoDef's Creator Spotlight here. Um, Very excited for this one. MonoDef is correct me at any point if I'm getting it wrong, but you're a electronic music producer, right? And
Correct.
feel free to elaborate there on what kind of stuff you do, um, your experiences using WebSim and how you enjoy it and all that.
Yeah. So, I guess in the beginning, um, I started out in my career as a music producer because I'm deaf in my right ear. So, as a hearing impairment, I try to utilize that as like a strong suit and like a main focus and whatnot. And due to that, Um, I like to use that as like part of my branding and in my image.
Mm-hmm.
Um, as you notice, like something always has to be missing, like color, or I just like dark mode.
Right, right,
But
okay.
yeah, you see a lot of that in some projects of mine. And later on, I became a web developer, and I just like to use WebSim to create cool stuff.
Cool.
So
I'm
yeah,
I'm interested in a lot of things here. There's a lot of really cool stuff here. Where do you think would be a
and they're all
fun
just
spot to start? Maybe music news? I'm curious about it.
That's a curious one for sure. It actually picks, it fetches real music news from RSS feeds, so it gives you actual news, whatever in the music industry of what's happening.
Ooh. Okay.
Let's see.
Did you have to like give it the links for that or did it was it able to find them?
I had to go
Awesome.
out and fetch like some of personal like music news feeds that I know of, and they provide the RSS feed so you can give it to the AI.
That's really cool. Okay. So then you can see like these are actual articles or posts,
Yes,
right? And
and
then you
then
have
you
the
can
AI
go
analysis
to the
about it.
real one.
Okay, very cool. Neato.
And
That is so
I
cool.
was like, reading it is kind of boring. I wish an AI could just summarize it for me, and I'm like, oh
Mm,
yeah, I could do that.
yeah.
So
Ooh.
yeah, super cool. And
How does the sorting
if
here
people,
work?
so the sorting goes by the sources. So if you want to read from Pitchfork or EDM.com,
Okay.
those are the only two for now. And then genres, if they have a specific music genre in
Mm,
the topic, artists if the artist is like trending or popular, and then the sorting of newest or oldest news.
very cool. This is super neat. And this is really just pulling from RSS feeds, so like there's probably a lot more possibilities of sites
Oh yeah,
that can be made on WebSim using RSS stuff. This is super
for
cool.
sure.
I really like this usage. Oh, you can upvote in here too? And is that stored like in a database
Yes.
here? Oh,
I believe it is.
it
So
is.
if you upvote something, it will be at the top of the list, so people know it's more important.
That's awesome. That's super cool.
Yeah.
You got color coding happening. That rocks.
I think I think the AI did that, and I was like, I like that idea. We should keep it.
Why not? Why not?
Yeah.
Awesome. Did you run into any snags while making it?
Um,
Or is it mostly just like polish?
it was mostly polished. I guess like giving it the RSS feed is kind of like would be the hardest part, and then
Mm-hmm.
customizing the look of it. Um, yeah, it was mostly a smooth ride, smooth project.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Let's see. Oh,
let's see.
blog is another really good one. Blog is one of
I
my all-time websim favorites.
I love blog.
So what were you trying to do with
It's
blog?
definitely
Like it's an aesthetic blogging site, right? Of course, but like what was your goal and your inspiration and like it seems like there were things that you were trying to avoid with blog in particular. I'm curious.
so with blog. I guess like I've came across a lot of different kinds of like blogs and blogging platforms and stuff like
Mhm.
that. And um, for one, the design of them always lacks in some sort of way.
Mhm.
Um, and two, I wanted it to kind of be a little bit open in a way.
Uh-huh.
Like anybody can create a blog. Um, anyone can share things. And the reason I created this was to, well, post things about my web design journey, like what are snags I catch along like creating a project, what are cool projects and things that I wanted to share. Just a whole bunch of cool stuff to share. And another thing that I was also testing out was the speaking of using Chrome's um, voice synthesis model
Oh, okay. Yeah.
to speak out the blog.
I haven't
So
even tried that. I
unfortunately,
didn't even realize that was a thing.
it only works on Chrome because it does use Chrome's speaking model, but um, it it does speak out the blog out loud, and it's really cool.
Oh, we've got the a little bit of HTML stuff going on in here.
Yeah, and I don't know where it got that from. I don't know if that's a library thing or if that's built in,
It looks like just
but
regular HTML.
yeah,
That's super cool.
it works and it works perfectly fine.
I really like it. So we could save progress on this and then come back to it.
Yes,
Yo, that's so
and if
that's
you
really
were
thoughtful. That is cool.
if you were the creator of that blog, you can update it at any time,
Okay.
and it shows right on the homepage.
So okay, so you can let's cancel this one. So you that's so cool. So if somebody were to update their article here, it would push those changes to this like live version that everybody
Yes,
can see already.
it would
Okay,
push the
that's
changes.
oh, I see the listen. Okay, let's do it. Let's do
And
it.
speaking,
Oh,
does it work?
How to bring
maybe.
your
Oh, there
websim
it
idea.
is. It did for a little bit. I might have clicked it twice accidentally. Let's see. Let's see.
It can be very buggy sometimes.
Development journey, graphs.
Oh,
Development journey, graphs.
it's doing just the title for right
No.
now, but that's super cool.
Oh darn. Okay,
That's
I'll
just a
take it back
prompt
to
away from a
that.
fix. That's so cool. So you focused a lot on the aesthetic part of it. Did you think or plan a lot for the like the actual like writing and creation part of that? Because clearly like you've got the drafts, which is awesome. You've got the fact that people can update their things afterwards. Like there's a lot of focus put into both the creation and the reading experience here, which is really nice. Like everything looks worthwhile to click on. It's very cool.
um, like one thing I want to say is like if you are trying to find inspiration for something like this, like a platform,
Hmm.
I love to go to like Wix templates or Webflow templates or Framer templates, and just take a look at those and build like a vision board
Okay.
of of those templates because people build really interesting stuff on there, and then you can use that as inspiration for your own projects.
Very cool. Very cool. That's like you're like you're doing research on the market and how to do it. That's
Yeah,
super cool. You got guidelines too, which is neat.
yeah. I don't want people posting bad stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. That's really good. Shouts to blog.
blog, blog.
Let's see. I'm also okay, so I was looking at this. an AI that gets Websim. Say more. Cool. I just posted the link for y'all. But this one basically like
Cool.
you can give it a project link. Let's give it this one. Okay. What do you think is a potential problem with our site, with our project?
Okay. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure if it does actually read the project, but I have seen some signs that it does and
Okay.
some signs that it doesn't. So this will be a test.
It looks like it does. Oh.
Accessibility, yeah, okay.
Okay, okay.
So it kind of does.
It seems like it is reading parts of it. This is
Oh,
definitely vague.
that's a good one. But it does understand what the project is, so that's a sign.
Wow, this is neat. Oh, it's
So
asking
then
good
at the very
questions.
at the very bottom of the response, you can tell it to generate a prompt that you can then use to prompt the AI in your project
Okay.
to kind of go over the topics that the AI talked about.
Oh, let's let's run it.
All
Here we
right.
go. Let's run it on 2.5 Pro. The newest
Let's
the newest banger model on Websim, a very good one.
honestly, I have been using it. It is pretty banger.
It is very good.
It's very good.
It does well with larger projects as well, for sure. Is it okay if I lock in on Profile Showcase? Yes. Yeah, you can lock in. So, what did you do to give it information about WebSim? Did you just like describe it to it,
I
or
I honestly, I think I don't know if it has the metadata enabled.
it does?
If
Yeah.
that is what, okay, and that might be what is giving the project information to the AI,
Hmm. Okay.
and then just
Interesting.
constantly told it to improve upon it.
It's teaching itself.
Correct.
You've even got the new chats. Very cool.
Yes, and even without using database, so it's using local storage.
Oh, that's neat. Let's say, um, what ideas do you have for a unique multiplayer project? Let's see. Let's see.
Thinking.
Think it out. Think it out. You'll get there.
It takes a lot of thunk
Oh.
to thunk of a good project.
Oh. Interesting. A symbiotic city builder.
Ooh, okay.
Okay.
Maybe like some kind of like civilization game project.
Interesting. Interesting. Exploration and salvage, perhaps? These
Oh,
would be hype. These would be hype. Super cool. Let's see, did this prompt finish up yet? I think we have to refresh. Okay.
oh,
We ran the prompt. It changed a bunch of stuff. Let's take a look. Okay.
oh, okay.
That's kind of nice. This is nice. I like that. What else do we got? Oh, it broke all the previous events and stuff. Searching submissions is
uh,
cool though. I should add that. That is really neat. Cool. Let's go
yeah,
back
and
to your profile.
that's that's from the AI that just kind of looked at the project and gave you a prompt about it.
I like it. I'm gonna see if I can also actually fix the things that it broke so that we can see like its full vision, right? um, it seems you broke the displays for galleries. Please fix. All right, while that's running,
I, I,
let's
I do that
oh,
all the time too. Please fix.
please fix.
Fix, please.
Let's see. We've got this one's here. This one's topical. If we can show this real quick, the liquid glass.
Yeah.
Pretty
So
neat.
obviously it's the inspiration from Apple's newest update,
Mm-hmm.
which features their liquid glass UI. Um, and this one I actually gave credit to the proper creator on CodePen who
Oh, okay.
used a displacement filter, which kind of warps the background or like the element behind the displacement filter. I'm not
Right,
sure how it
right.
works,
Okay.
but it does give like a proper glass looking effect. And I thought it was super cool.
This would be really cool to use. I'm thinking of the like Mario like Shy Guys thing where you have to look for them with the flashlight. It's be kind of sick, kind of sick. Perhaps a
And
Where's
like
Waldo?
yes, in this one and the events chat here, like something like that, like just a zoomed in almost look.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
But yeah, I wanted to tackle that because that was awesome. Just a cool effect. I think we'll definitely see more of it like in the future of using
For sure.
that style of like liquid glass UI stuff.
Okay, fix the events here.
Okay, okay.
It looks like we have a new font, some different padding happening here.
Hmm.
Interesting. Oh, a nice animation on the opening that wasn't there before. We can search oh, interesting.
Profile.
We're gonna search a user here. See if that works. Don't think so. Oh, it does. That's
Oh.
okay. That's kind of cool. Just found Aiden's upload to the horse contest here because I searched his name. That's pretty neat.
Cool.
Might implement some of that. I just might. Very cool. Let's see.
Um,
Oh, I'm curious about this one.
this is a big one, and I've been working on it on and off for a while. But if everybody joins, don't hit
Okay.
start game yet.
Okay. Okay.
It does take one person. I want to implement a voting system to start to kind of, you know, get everybody ready first. But this one's really cool. I'm gonna join too.
Yo.
Let's
Oh
see
no, I
here.
just started it.
That's
Oh
okay.
no. Okay. Can people join in?
Oh my gosh, I've
What?
never seen this game with this many people in it. This is awesome.
So, what is the game?
So it's a hide and seek style game. So everybody hides in the room, and there should be a dedicated hiding button, which should be Q
Oh.
on the keyboard.
Oh, I see.
So one person obviously is um, spawned later, and they have to try to find all
Oh,
of the people that are hiding.
okay.
You see
Okay,
all these
that's cool.
elevators going up. That's kind of creepy.
Oh, wow. This looks like the bus stop in Bikini Bottom.
Yeah. Very dark, ominous, just creepy.
This is super cool. So let's see if we refresh the page, maybe we can get
It if you refresh, you'll be kicked right back into the game.
oh, I see, I see.
So it's a work in progress. This is a cool way to just test it out.
Wow, these elevators are smooth. That's really whoa. There's a dead body there.
Oh, you
I
got
got
you got
taken
caught.
out. I got taken out. Wow. That's fun. That's super cool. This is really neat. I love this.
Oh yes, and I still need to add a round timer,
Oh yeah.
so
Yeah.
it's not a if there's just a bunch of bodies here, holy cow. Oh, I
Oh,
got
here we
caught.
go.
Yep,
Next round starting soon. Here we go. Here we go.
yep. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I'm the
Uh-oh.
one.
You better not stream snipe.
I got 5 seconds.
Oh no. I just got up the elevator.
All right.
All right, all right.
So yeah, if you use Q, then you turn off your light and you're essentially hidden in
Right,
the dark.
okay. Until somebody shines a flashlight on you.
Right.
It's cool that you can see other people's lights being cast too.
Right. So you can tell like where they're at and if they're, approaching you or anything.
This feels very Gmod. I love it. Super cool.
This is such a fun. I have not had this many people in this game before. Maybe a max of like two,
Okay.
but definitely not a full lobby.
It works. It works surprisingly well.
It does.
Multiplayer game code, like with lobbies and rooms and stuff, is usually really challenging to do in WebSims. This is surprisingly smooth. Very cool.
Yeah, the one main difficult thing is the timer.
Yeah.
It can drift for other players, so other players can be like in a different
Oh,
time stamp
yeah.
than others.
Like they're at like different
Also,
instances essentially.
right. Also, I'm not in the game.
Oh
I don't know
no.
if I was the killer and I died
You
somehow.
were. You definitely were the killer. Because you killed me a second ago. What were some of the some of the challenging things with getting this working and getting it all
Oh
implemented
man.
besides the timer?
um, I would say like getting a lot of the elements to kind of work together, like the elevators, um, the teeter platform. There, if you didn't notice, in the center of that map, there is a teetering platform.
Oh, I didn't see that part
Um,
yet. See
yeah,
if I
I'll
can
just
find it.
these separate elements that I wanted in the game can react differently for other people, and trying to get that to sync with all players was uh horrible.
Oh, I said it.
The lighting as well was a trouble. Um, as it's not technically a light, it's almost like a complete circle, but with a cutout,
Oh, okay.
and then it's like trying to find the edges of all of these different objects in the map so that it creates the shadow effect. That was also a pain.
Wow.
But yeah, with this one is like it was almost hard to like try to find inspiration for it too. Um, I guess like the main one being like obviously Among Us,
Mm-hmm.
um, repo for like the characters and stuff like that. I
Oh,
think I
here we go.
have
I
a
made it on.
picture of in the assets. I have a picture that I created
Oh yeah.
of what I wanted them to look like. I made that in Canva.
Wow.
And
That's honestly a really good strategy because it clearly worked well. These guys look like the
it
drawing.
did. And the 3D effect of the characters, I actually loved so much I kept it.
Awesome. Yeah, that looks really good. I like that the eyeballs move too. That's fun.
And they blink.
Oh yeah.
It's so cool. Yep.
Wow. Shouts to Within. This is awesome.
Yep. Still in early alpha. So, but yeah.
Let's see what we got. Anything else?
It, and there are other like few games scattered around. Like I create a lot of tools that I can utilize for different things, from like video content
Mhm.
or music releasing advice and stuff like that. And then there are like a few games that are scattered around because I just feel like making a game.
Cool. Oh,
um,
scroll experience is interesting.
this one utilizes I believe it's GSAP to show you how scrolling animations can work.
Wow. One prompt too.
One prompt. I
Looks
was
really
so
nice.
impressed with it. I did not think it would work with one prompt.
Wow. Yeah, I like that.
I think another really cool one uh, would be, let's see here, probably the other games that I've been working on. I believe it's down here.
You know what it's called?
Quizzo is almost like, cause what do you call it? Kahoot?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Quizzo, yep,
Oh.
on the left side.
Okay.
I think you were
There it
just
is.
on it.
There it is.
Yes, okay. So this one is also multiplayer, so we can all join it too. And this has a proper vote to start button, which is what I also want in
Okay.
within.
Let me link this in chat, and we can get people into Quizzo.
Okay.
Here we
And I
go. Here we go.
believe there is music too. So you can see all the people that join at the bottom.
Oh, very cool.
Okay.
Which of these
Not a
is not
primary
a
color.
primary color?
Oh. And if other people are joining during the game, they'll wait till the game is over and they'll join the next game. Yep. We should all know this one.
This is fun. Is it getting each question?
They're pre-made, but
Okay.
that's a great idea actually. Why didn't I think of that?
I think it was actually 2007. Yes.
Let's go.
The largest ocean on Earth. Quizzo's fun.
I like it. It's got such huge Kahoot vibes.
Very clean interface too. Nobody wins.
Nobody. Okay, so now the people that joined, they should be able to join the next game.
Cool. Okay.
Okay, yep, it worked. Oh. Oh no. Oh.
Oh no. We're stress testing all of these multiplayer projects now.
Yep, let's go.
Yep.
Um,
I don't know. We're gonna guess.
I'm just joining everybody.
Yes, that's what I did. Oh yeah, scores could be
Let's
also
go,
based on
okay.
how fast they clicked the correct answer, Rob says. Or make it so you can change answer, perhaps?
Oh yes.
Interesting.
Okay, that's a good idea. Yep, I know this one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Gold. That's gold. So yeah, they are pre-programmed questions, but that's a good idea. I should definitely make them AI generated.
You could have it be basically infinite then.
Yeah.
Somebody should make a crafting game like that. You know, an infinite crafting game.
And hide users' answers. I think that's a good one too.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll go one more. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Use 1 point to kick somebody else off.
Oh my gosh.
That'd be kind of funny. We need the blue shell.
Oh, fastest land and
This is what we need.
the blue shell. You see their little profile explode.
Leopards, guys. Guys. Those are tree cats.
Oh, okay, yep.
Alright, I'm gonna run back to your profile here.
Okay. And there is an alternate version of this one,
Okay.
which does kind of implement like some like fighting, I guess, in a way. Let
Interesting.
me see here. Um it should be called Try to Live.
Alright, we're looking. We're looking.
I'm looking. Maybe
There it
this
is.
layout isn't the best if you're looking for something specific.
It looks nice though. Alright. We're linking Try to Live.
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, I'm in.
Whoa. Your phone is dead. Whoa.
Oh. Stress test. Stress testing. Okay, a strange mist is rolling into town. You see people collapsing. It is changing.
It is. It is.
I'm just gonna guess. Oh, that would be right. Yeah, I think I'm right.
I think that is. I think that's right.
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
So then, if people get it wrong, then they're out of the quiz, and they have to wait. And they have a skull icon next to their name.
Oh, interesting.
Uh,
Oh yeah, I see that.
Yep,
People are
okay.
getting knocked out.
oh. Did you lose?
I don't think so.
Did we get the wrong answer?
I don't think so. I think it kicked us out. Netcode.
Okay.
I like the questions it's asking though.
Yes. Very like
Invite friends. Dude, that's fun.
you're in a tough situation.
Always eat a mysterious dish from grandma. Always.
Grandma's feelings matter, okay?
Plus 10 years of life. Okay. Grandma's secrets have been bestowed upon us.
Yeah, I ain't moving.
Oh no, the new one's not popping up for me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yours is stuck.
Rip, rip.
Fire alarm goes off at work. I'm gonna see if like if
refresh
I
and
lose,
spectate?
then yeah,
I cannot.
I'll definitely have to up like these were made with Sonnet 3.7.
Okay.
I think updating them with like the newest models, it should help like tremendously with syncing.
Very cool.
And my confetti just went off.
I wonder how much of it too is just issues with our like multiplayer setup. I'm not sure. It's hard to tell like what is the generated code's fault, I guess, and what's like what's the limitation of the generated code or the limited...
synchronization.
Yeah.
I think that would be the biggest issue is like trying to know where all these players are in the quiz and what they're voting for.
This is neat. I like it. Okay, we got... We're gonna take a look at inconvenient volume sliders. I like this idea.
That was just
I
a
like this idea.
spontaneous idea I thought would be really funny.
goal is to get it to 28%. Oh. Boom. Now 61. Oh. We got it. We got it. Uh-huh. Oh. Just 2 more. Oh no, I went too far. Oh. 24%. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Boom. 54.
And then all of the sliders are on different slides, so if you want like a different slider, you can go to the next one.
Oh, interesting. Oh, this one. I see. I see. I see. Is this
Just a
poisoning?
very,
Is this poisoning the well of AI code? Like it's gonna
I think so.
reread
It's
this,
like,
and it's like
hey, I want you to create something that's broken.
down to 8%. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Let's try the next one. 49. Oh, this one's just backwards. I see. I see. We can handle that. 55. Oh, the shaking. Did you come up with the ideas for making these inconvenient, or was it the AI's thought?
I came up with a few of them. There's the last one I came up with was one that kind of runs away from you.
This one's funny because this is just like, this is a normal volume slider on so many programs, and I hate it. Every time I see one of the circle ones, it's okay. Yeah, the one that runs away from you is really funny.
A volume slider that has feelings. Oh my gosh.
That would be really funny. Volume slider that has feelings and starts off extremely loud.
The iPod scroll circle thing. Oh yeah. But that was also like so peak.
It was. Loading screen studio, is that for making loading screens?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
and when you create a loading screen, you can also export it and put it into an actual website.
Okay.
So you can, for the preview of the website, you can use an actual website.
Interesting. Funky. Website logo? Oh, sweet. We can put something in here. Oh, nice. Now, can I move these around?
I think they kind of dynamically move based on what loading animation you choose.
Oh. Oh, I see. Neat. Fade out. Very cool. Loading screen studio.
And then, yeah. So then here you can use the actual website and kind of preview what it's going to look like.
Dog. That's cool. And then you can have it give you the code.
And then you can export it. And then place it like, whether it be like in a code block for Webflow or any other website maker you use, or even Websim. And you should have a working loading animation splash page. What do you call it? The splash screen?
I think so.
That's a big one. That's a big line.
It is. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Now it actually did the thing. Let's just hit it. See what it does. This is super cool. So have you used this for any of your projects?
It's on MonoDeaf.com. I
Oh,
use that
sweet.
one.
Let's
And you'll see
let's
it
show everybody that real
right
quick.
there. Look at that.
Oh, once again, very
Yep.
nice. Ooh. Made in WebSim.
Super cool.
So these are all different songs that you've made, correct?
Correct.
Awesome.
So yeah, I it's almost like I got that inspiration from my Websim profile. I
Very
like the
cool.
layout so much. I wanted my actual website to look like that.
You're in Bowling Green? Oh my god, I've spent so much time there. Do you know Howard's?
um, no, I don't think so.
Oh, okay, it's just a bar there. Never mind. I was like, I know some people that
Oh
run
wait,
festivals there.
Howard's.
Yes.
Um, by downtown.
Yes. That's
Oh my
crazy.
gosh. Oh my gosh.
W. W.
Big W.
Cool. Check out I linked your website in chat. Feel free, y'all should check out MonoDeaf's music. Absolutely banger stuff.
That's all I make. That's all I like to make.
Oh. Oh.
Um,
Blobcam.
speaking of, yes.
This should work. There we go. Okay. Now, uh, there's some fun things you can do here. You can have it detect edges, and then check that out. That's kind of cool. Let's see what we can do. Brightness threshold. We got my forehead in it,
Your
right?
your face is too bright.
Change some of our parameters here. Oh. Weird. Weird. Funky.
Super trippy.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, it. I got inspiration from like those perspectives of like the street cameras, and they put boxes around things like people
Yeah,
and
yeah.
cars. That I wanted to make some kind of like webcam effect with that.
This is weird. This is so strange. Yeah, they turned me into squares. I saw another funky webcam effect that you had on your profile
I
down
I think
here,
I
I
have
think.
4 different kinds,
Okay, okay.
and
Oh,
eventually I want to put them all into one.
here's an ASCII one.
Yep.
Yep. Whoa. Funky. Oh, okay.
ASCII cat.
Whoa. Evil cat? Evil ASCII cat?
Evil cat.
Oh, nice. Very cool. Wow, this is
That
weird.
looks sick.
Also, one prompt. Oh no, it was just remix
Yes.
from
So when
another
I
one.
when I created another webcam effect, I just kind of fork it and make a different one.
Okay. Really cool. Whoa. Neato. ASCII iPhone question mark? Very cool.
I believe the next one after that is Echo Cam.
Oh yeah, I remember scrolling past that one.
I
Let's
really
see.
need to add a search in my profile,
Here it is.
but still very cool.
Definitely still very cool. Whoa, what the heck? What the heck? This one's weird.
So this one uses 3JS to put you in almost like a hologram style.
Whoa. This is crazy. Heat map. Whoa! Is that just brightness?
I believe it is.
What the heck? This is wait, the Websim logo? It's not really. Oh, it's not coming through very well.
Oh yeah,
Whoa!
Starfield is so cool.
Wow, this is better than Starfield the game. Wow, that one's cool. I don't even know exactly what's happening there. Oh, that's vaguely my face. There's my hand. Cool. That's crazy. How did you do this one? Because this is I've not seen anything really like this in WebSim. This is
um,
using the edge detection and like motion detection thing that we just looked at. Um, but I guess, yeah, I'm still confused.
so, uh, I connected 3JS with the webcam, and I like to just go through the website of 3JS,
Okay.
um, as they provide a bunch of like cool examples of how to use it. And I saw, I'll post a link here. I saw this example of somebody using a Connect
Oh,
to
interesting.
kind of
Okay.
create a post a link right here. Somebody used a Connect to
Oh,
kind of
neat.
map out their body, right?
Wow.
And so I figured out a cool thing that you can do is if you just give the URL of the example to the AI and say, "Hey, make this,"
It can
it
just
just
do
kind
it.
of worked.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, this is nuts. This is really cool.
that's so. Yeah,
And so
that's
you literally
cool.
just pasted the example into. Wow.
Exactly. I just said, "Hey, make this," and it said, "Okay."
Whoa. This is so crazy. This is really cool.
Right.
Wow.
Elemental cat.
Oh, Spotify Share Hub, I remember from one of our contests that we
Yes.
did.
So yes, I need people's help because the database just kind of went poof.
Oh, got you.
So
So you have to like refill
uh
it with stuff.
yep.
Got you.
Um so if you got some awesome music on Spotify you want to share, I'm right here. Please
Heck
share
yeah.
it.
Oh, yeah. Very cool.
And
It's
yeah,
cool
you can
that
either just share the
you can post and like give your own feedback on it, right?
yeah.
That's pretty neat.
And if you click on the profile image, uh it shows
Oh,
everything that somebody has shared.
wow.
Which weirdly enough, all of the songs I've shared even before the database bug is all in here.
It's got to be still in there somewhere then. Probably
Definitely.
just coded weirdly, but the info's got to still be there.
Yep.
This is really cool. It's like blog but for music.
I just make different kinds of blogs.
That rocks. Let's
um,
see.
the definitely the latest one that I've been working on. I want to show is the Mono Music,
Okay.
which should be the first one in the grid.
Music maker.
So this should
Okay.
be yep a music maker.
Go ahead and link this in chat for y'all. Whoa.
So the bass I don't think works at the moment, but I think everything else does.
Got you. Okay. Yeah, I think you're
Yeah,
right.
the bass currently has no sounds.
Everybody
But yeah,
hates
keys.
bassists. What if I was
Or
a
the bass is so
xylophone?
low it
Sure.
doesn't exist.
So you can randomize. Oh. Oh. Do not let him cook. So how would I edit this piece then? Would I click?
You can double click on it to
Oh,
open it back
okay.
up. Delete some stuff.
Here we go.
Add
Here
some
we
stuff.
go. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh, we're cooking.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. The different scales too.
Yep, different scales, tempo, metronome on the left side of the tempo.
Very nice. Ooh.
And if you like the project, you can also save it with the menu at the top right corner.
Save current
monotype beat.
project. Cool.
Yeah, so that's saved, and you can come back to it at any point.
Oh, you can duplicate it too? Whoa. So if I wanted to play the full thing.
Yes, you can change the loop mode. So there's pattern, which will loop the pattern, and then track, which will loop the all the
The full
patterns
thing,
together.
okay. 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 Very neat. Very neat. This is cool. Wow. Did you run into any like major limitations with it while creating?
Probably one of the biggest struggles with it is obviously getting the sounds right.
Mm-hmm.
I want it to be simple enough to where you don't have to tweak every little thing and try to
Right,
get a
right.
specific sound, but complex enough so that you can kind of get a good idea going. Um, all of the sounds in the drums are royalty or
Mm-hmm.
free, so they can
Very
be
cool. You can use it.
distributed and
Right.
used. Um, but for like the sound generated stuff like keys and synths, it kind of has to be done within Chrome.
Got you. Okay.
Um,
For the
so
web
it's
audio?
hard to like, yeah,
Yeah.
it's hard to make something that sounds good from Chrome. Um,
It's
but
very
yeah, it
Chrome audio is with like JS stuff is so punchy and not in a good way. It's like it's more
it's
stabby.
very aggressive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's aggressive.
Yeah. Wow, this is really cool though. Is there a way that you can share your tracks with other people after you've made them?
Ooh, um, technically it should be easy because it's everything's technically saved as a JSON file.
Okay.
So realistically, that should be not at the moment. There is a feature for that, but that should
But
be a
you could
pretty
just tell it like allow export JSON, right?
yeah, exactly, and then import JSON, and it should be that simple.
That's awesome. I wonder you might even be able to like somehow make that multiplayer. I don't know. Like you could make a gallery on
Okay,
here somehow maybe. I don't know. Perhaps could be kind of cool.
perhaps.
Also, the profile. How did you make it? It looks really good.
um, so the profile is I got an idea from uh I believe it was like a Webflow template
Mm-hmm.
that kind of utilized this layout. It's essentially like a grid element inside of a box, and if you cut off the edges and uh, rotate the grid a little bit, it kind of gives you that simplistic look.
Mm-hmm.
Really, the I mostly just used for the cursor movement effect.
That part's interesting. Yeah, you can tell it's like more sensitive vertically than it is horizontal,
Yeah,
which is a
yeah.
nice touch.
Dialing it in was a pain too.
I can imagine getting the exact numbers right.
It's like you move your cursor like a centimeter, and all of a sudden you're in this gray void.
Yeah, the gray void is kind of nice though. You could add I don't know, some emojis in the gray void.
Yeah, like Easter eggs, you
Yes,
know?
something. This is super neat.
I think another good one is the Prepo. I
Mm-hmm.
made a
Okay.
little AI to help me um, with releasing music.
Okay.
Give me a good like strategic marketing um, laydown on what to do for a specific song. It's cute.
Nice, nice. I like how it's a little smiley face. That's nice.
Yeah.
Artist name, Websim dot music. Yep.
Yep.
Release title, Slop for Hot Page.
It's a banger. This is gonna be a banger.
The release date is going to be 2 weeks from now,
I
uh,
love it.
at noon.
And the AI also like talks about your track too, like on the left hand side. It'll
Let's talk
what's
about
the
our
song name?
promotion
Slop.
budget. Slop for Hot Page, yeah. If you would like to rather use free methods for promotion, that's okay. Our budget, should we do 0 or should we do like 1 million?
Let's do 1 million.
Okay.
I mean, what?
I think I did 10 million, but that's okay. Let's decide on the approach
Even
for
better.
promoting Slop for Hot Page. Simple proven methods or more advanced technical strategies. Ooh. Let's go technical and advanced. If we're spending $10 million, we want this to be fairly advanced. Here we go. Here we go. This is nice too. The date and time.
A little quality of life improvement.
Here's your advanced
Okay.
promotional strategy for Slop for Hot Page.
I
Okay.
should definitely make it type faster. Is it to revamp and optimize our website?
Okay. Okay. It's trying to do some
Okay.
formatting stuff here.
Yeah, I don't remember that being a thing. I'll definitely have to look into that.
Dedicated landing page for Slop for Hot Page with pre-save links, high quality audio snippets, behind the scenes content, and a countdown timer.
Okay, it's
Oh.
definitely getting to the technical side with like SEO,
Mm-hmm.
Google
Mm-hmm.
Analytics. Um, oh, RSS feeds.
Interesting. Interesting.
Okay.
Targeted ad campaigns. Here we go. Tell us who to target.
Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. A/B
Okay.
testing, custom audiences. Yep. Yep.
We need a Facebook ads manager.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I agree.
For the Slop for Hot Page
Um,
song.
yes. Yes. We're not leaving any empty trace for Slap for Hot Page. We need all hands on deck.
Personalized pitches to key influencers and press outlets. I'm coming to you with an offer to make millions off of Slop for a Hot Page.
This is a once in a lifetime deal.
It's a once in a
Um,
lifetime deal.
yeah, definitely an option to like skip the typing animation. It's so slow, I'm falling asleep.
Submit Hub, what the heck is that?
Oh, that's like a place to submit your music to playlists.
Interesting. I didn't know
Oh,
about
that's a
that.
good idea.
That
I'm
is
surprised I
good.
knew about that.
Oh yeah, Facebook comments. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And it's allocating the budget. That's pretty interesting.
That is really interesting that it's like telling you what to put where. Really interesting. We should only spend 50 G's on SEO and web dev. Um,
And we have $10 million.
2 million for advertising on just TikTok. Okay, okay.
Repost exchange. Okay, that's another one to kind of submit your music to get listened to.
Okay.
Pump your sound. Another one. Hyped it. Another one. I think at one point I must have told it about these places, and then it just kind
Maybe.
of remembered.
Oh yeah, you did. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, I did. Okay,
Very cool.
it takes forever though.
Oh, we can create a
Definitely have to.
TikTok hashtag challenge.
Oh, that's a good one.
Wow. Prepo's pretty cool. I like
Dude,
that.
Prepo is he he's that's just what he does. Prepo.
He's helpful. All right, I'm gonna pull up one more, I think, before we start wrapping up because it's been about an hour. Let's
Okay.
see. You got a preference for any of them?
Um, let's see. For the final one, we can do the component studio. That's almost like the loading screen studio, except you're creating
Cool.
components. Um,
There it is.
okay.
Component Studio.
Component studio.
All right. So we can throw in. Oh, I see. Image. Here we go. Yup. Very nice.
And then with your components, you can add some effects to them with the little star icon. You tell
Oh.
it to rotate or a hover bloom animation, hover tilt animation.
Ooh.
And these are when you hover it. Yep.
Oh, I see. Oof. Neat. Okay. Whoa. This looks like it looks like how you made your profile. Just like
Yeah, with
the same effect, kind of.
with all the grid of projects.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice rotation. Oh yeah, so we I think put a bunch of
Oh,
code into this one. Uh-oh.
oh, maybe,
Maybe?
maybe.
No, I don't think it changed anything. Oh, unfortunate.
Oh,
Maybe we can try it with Component Studio here.
okay. So yeah, we've got your spinning image.
Go ahead and copy that. Oh, it's gonna load a sec while it pastes. Here we go. Okay, let's switch it to a faster model here.
Yeah, I mean theoretically it should just paste that right into the I believe it should just be in the HTML, either through an iframe or just into the. Oh, I see what might be the issue. Because it's split. It's the HTML, the CSS, and
Oh yeah.
the script.
It should
So
be able
trying to add
to
that into one file.
it should
Hmm.
be able to discern what it is, right? Because we're not directly pasting it in, we're just giving
True.
it to the
True.
AI. It should be able to figure it out, I think. Maybe it just
No
ate the
changes?
prompt, actually. Hold on. There's not even a new version.
It just ate it.
I think it just ate the prompt, yeah. Oh no. Try it one more time. I'm gonna tell it,
Should be able to, yes.
implement this shit. once my text loads. I might have crashed it. I might have crashed my websim. Oh no. Oh, there we
Oh.
go. Come on, send it. There we go. It's been fired off.
Message sent.
We'll give it a minute here. We'll see if it does it. If not, we can figure it out manually, but Component Studio is really neat. It's cool that you can just like make new components with effects and then easily get the look at this. Look how nice that is.
Yeah.
Throw something on that. Woof. Boom. Quite nice. Quite nice.
Yeah, if you need something like on a website, like I need a graph or I need a image that hovers and stuff like that, whatever. Yeah, you can just use the component
I think it ate our
studio.
prompt again, sadly.
Oh,
I think
it's being
I think that's on Websim's end though, for this one I think. But that's really cool. I like it. It was a lot of
yeah,
really sweet projects that we looked at. A lot of interesting music things and mostly social music things too. A lot of that, which is really cool. Love seeing like things that help people connect with each other on Websim, and there's tons of that on your profile here. That's awesome.
yeah. It's just like a bunch of sporadic ideas and things I want to utilize, um, whatever in whatever journey. If I want to create something for video or something to help me create something for a website or
Mm-hmm.
any case, there's a ton of different tools.
A lot of easy ways to prototype stuff for sure.
Yes, definitely.
Oh. Oh, very nice. Ooh. Wow. Fancy.
Fancy.
Very cool. I'm gonna link your profile again one more time in chat, and then we're going to jump off because it's been about time for us. But everybody should
Yes.
check out and follow MonoDeaf here. Um, really cool stuff. Also check out his website where you can listen to his music. Really cool stuff going on. Really awesome websim creator too. So yeah. Is there anything that you wanted to shout out or like mention before we jump off?
Um, my website is
Mm-hmm.
monodef.com. What I primarily work on is blackcloudcollective.com. That's my personal label, which I do everything for, and it's just what I do and what I enjoy doing is music, and yeah, that's it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for jumping on. Um, everybody should absolutely check out MonoDeaf. We're gonna give you a Twitter follow too from the Websim account. Heck yeah.
Thank you.
Of course, of course. Awesome. Well, thank you guys everybody for tuning in. Come hang out next week, same time on Friday when we will be doing another Team's Choice stream. Feel free to submit your projects to the June events page on the Websim homepage. Yeah, I think that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. We will see ya.
Peace.